In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Google Drive from your laptop and PC, as well as delete it from your desktop. Let's dive right in and make this process as simple and clear as possible. First, you'll need to open your computer or laptop and head to the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, look for an upward arrow. This is your system tray. A simple click will reveal all the hidden icons running in the background. Among these, you should see the Google Drive icon, which looks like a small triangle composed of green, yellow, and blue. Click on this icon to bring up the Google Drive menu. Once you have the Google Drive menu open, direct your attention to the three-dot menu in the top right corner of this window. Click on these three dots and a new menu will pop up, offering various options. What you want to do here is select the Preferences option. By doing so, you'll be navigated to a new window, which gives you an overview of Google Drive settings on your device. In this Preferences window, look for an option labeled Account in the left sidebar. Upon clicking on the Account tab, you will see an option that says Disconnect Account. This step is important because disconnecting your account is a precursor to fully removing Google Drive from your computer. Click the Disconnect Account button to proceed. After doing this, a confirmation prompt will appear asking if you're sure you want to disconnect your account from the device. Confirm this, but rest assured, it will not delete any of your files. It merely stops the sync process between your PC and Google Drive. After disconnecting your account, close the Google Drive Preferences window and proceed to the next step, which involves uninstalling the program. To begin the uninstallation process on Windows, head over to the Control Panel. An easy way to find this is by typing Control Panel into the search bar located at the bottom of your screen. Once you're in the Control Panel, click on Programs, and then proceed to Programs and Features. Here, you'll be presented with a list of all the programs installed on your device. Scroll through until you find Google Drive. Once located, click on it and then hit the Uninstall button at the top of the list. This action starts the uninstallation process, and you may have to follow a few prompts to fully confirm removal. Once completed, Google Drive will be removed from your desktop environment. These steps will not affect any of the files on your Google Drive itself. They'll still be accessible from any browser logging into your Google account. And there you have it. Google Drive should now be completely removed from your desktop. Thanks for watching, and make sure to stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.